Here are 8 things in Las Vegas that you will never be able to experience again. They ended in 2023. First are the Bellagio trees. This is what it used to look like. Then they ripped them all out for F1. They have replaced them, but the replacements are mobile, scrawny, and unimpressive. Number 2 is the quirky and weird OPM Show at Cosmopolitan. It went dark permanently at the end of 2023. Number 3 was Las Vegas's only upscale all-dessert bar, Sweets Raku. There was always a line out the door. It was exceptional, but the owners thought it would be fun to close the doors and open a tapas place. Number 4 is the super secret hidden James Terrell art exhibit. The light installation Akhob was hidden in a secret chamber above the Louis Vuitton store. It is permanently closed, but for now, this mini free exhibit inside the crystal shops still exists. Number 5 was also an art installation. This was Transfix at Resorts World. Just a few weeks into operations last year, they ran out of money and closed in the middle of the night. Allegedly, they even abandoned some of the art pieces in a hurry to get out of town. Number 6 is the ride Insanity on top of the Strat. It broke down in January. No one has the parts to fix it, so they kind of gave up. It is no longer an option on the website. Number 7 is Gu Plus, the company that brought us all these delicious Japanese sandos. They temporarily closed in September in anticipation of a move and then just never reopened. And number 8 is the Cereal Killerz location on the Strip. This is where you could compete to eat your weight in cereal. It was a really cool spot, but the owner has moved on to do other projects. I'll share other closings in the comments. Follow me for all the Vegas.